Now, the South Shore today. I want to show you a picture from Brant Rock in Marshfield here at the height of the storm. Similar story on Cape Cod as well, where the water actually rushed into neighborhoods. Jim Smith live in Sandwich for us tonight. And Jim, we can still hear the wind. So much damage and so many people without power.
Lisa, when you get several storms in a row like this, it really becomes a chain reaction. After all, many trees down here already weakened by the other nor'easters. Then came today's blizzard. Darkness in the town of Sandwich, the end result of a mid-March blizzard, a nor'easter that brought down trees left and right, leaving widespread power outages throughout Cape Cod. The ocean was raging, but the high tides were not the most serious issue. It was all about the wind. At times, gusts approaching hurricane force, knocking down the trees and utility lines with them. All of this keeping police and fire busy.
Treacherous roads and trees on wires down, primary, secondaries. Trees are down, wires are down, some poles have been broken.
Is this one of the worst storms you can remember, do you think? We took a walk to the shore with Russell Kramer, who's lived here since he was a kid. Here at Town Neck Beach, the shore did take another pounding. Seaside homes just can't take much more erosion and high winds. He says this stretch of storms is unlike any other.
I think this batch of storms that we've had 3 in the last 2 weeks has probably been the most ferocious combination of storms in terms of like the damage to these dunes and the property damage here along, this is Town Neck Beach, and I've never seen this much change and transformation in the landscape.
It really is true. We haven't seen anything like this in quite some time. The good news is here on Cape Cod, the winds have subsided, and that will allow utility crews to get a handle on the long job of restoration. Live on the Cape, Jim Smith, WBZ News.